Happy Monday. I have a kind of a video that I haven't done in a while, and that's a haul video. I first wanted to show you this really cool book that I ordered off of Amazon. I was talking to Deborah Zagarit, mispronounced her last name, I'm sure. And she was talking about a book that her dad used to have, and I was asking her what's the name, and they happen to have this book on Amazon. I don't know, hers seemed like it was bigger than this one, but you know, it's hard to tell in a picture. But it has really cool pictures, and I'm going to use this in my Ocean Hues journal, and I'm going to make some ephemera using these really cool pages. I'm super excited. So anyway, there's that. And then the other thing I wanted to share, I have done Your Creative Studio. I purchased it. It's not a affiliate thing or anything. I just decided to purchase it. I purchased it a couple times, and I was in the mood to get some fun mail. So I ordered it again, and I wanted to share with you what's in the box. And then I thought we could do a quick make with some of the things from the box. I did kind of peek because I was super curious, but I didn't really open the stuff. So I'm going to take the stuff out, take this box over here, and let's take a look. So this says Antique Bookstore. Let's see what these are. So they're like book pages. That's fun. The Wind in a Frolic. Lots of those. Barefoot Days. All these are cute. You could fussy cut the images out. Oh, he's gonna fall over. Cinderella. Oh, how fun. This is fun. Flower Fairies. Beauty and the Beast. These are great. Lots of, oh, and then you have darker shades. Oh, cool. All right, so those are fun. Make tags and fun things with that. And let's see what's next. And then there's this little guy. I did the 2-month subscription. There's like little tickets. Oh, I love tickets. Oh, those are fun. Cinema, parking, travel. Oh, cool. I love missing tickets. Those are fun. And there's 2 stamps. There's a squirrel and another squirrel. Oh, this will be perfect because fall is right around the corner. And we're going to be doing, Julie and I are going to be doing the 5 days of fall. And in my kit, I have some squirrels. So, oh, how cute is that guy? He's so cute. And let's see this one. Can't wait. These will be perfect for that. Oh, look, cute squirrel. Looks like he's eating a nut. Super cute. And then let's see what's in here. So then there's this little box. Of course, I don't have scissors right here. I don't know where my scissors walked off to. Vintage tag. Oh, look at that butterfly. Oh, nice. And they're all different. Mushroom. Oh, cool. These are fun. Oh, wow. Very cool. And then, ooh, there's craft ones. I like the craft. That's cool. Very fun. Put those back in there. I like the little storage container too. Alright, and then there's this. Looks like a little notepad. I could have pre-done this, sorry. Oh, how come I can't? Oh, there we go. You have to be able to figure out how to open the bag. Oh, it's not. Oh, but there's like little sheets. Oh my gosh, and it's a squirrel. Cute. Look how cute. I think they're all the same. Yep, all those are cute. And then we have some stickers, very fun, and postage stamps. All kinds of postage stamps. And even the packaging is fun to use. What are these stickers? Ooh, these are stickers. Oh, that's cool. Animals. Very fun. Palm tree. Sticking. And I think this is a pad of paper. Yeah, oh cute. Oh, and there's different images. Oh, he's so cute. I love it. I love it. There's still a few more things. All right, there's this box that says lace. And it's like washi lace, sticker lace. That's cool. And some washi tape. See what kind of washi. Where's the end? Oh, it's like little leaves. That's cool, like pine leaves. And in this one, oh, that's fun. Little pieces of ephemera, like little, oh, those are cool. And these are stickers too. There's leaves, bird, typewriter, all sorts of goodies. Oh, there's the squirrel. Labels. Ooh, North Pole, that's fun. Very cool. It's interesting. December 23rd. Maybe so that the postage can get there so Santa can see it before Christmas Eve. All right. And one last thing. This really fun paper. I love this paper. What is it, like mulberry paper kind of, when it has little fun bits in there? Very cool. It'll be fun for some decoupage. Very fun. So that's your creative studio for August. And I am gonna get some things together and see what we can create using the box. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm doing a voiceover because for some reason the audio went a little wacky and had a bunch of static. I guess I'm learning how to use my new microphone. All right, so what I have now is I've gathered some pieces from the Your Creative Studio box, and I have some multimedia matte from Ranger, and I'm going to just decoupage onto part of the wrapping, the packaging of Your Creative Studio. I did do some stamping with this squirrel, but I ended up covering it, so I cut that part of the video out. The stamps are really, really cute. So I'm just gonna cover this whole page with the stamps and the stickers, some of this lace, and then I'm gonna let it dry. And then once it's dry, I'm gonna cut it out, and here I'm using my tag template, and I'm gonna trace it, and then I'm gonna make 2 tags out of my collage. And then I'll just cut it. I wasn't sure if using my cutting board would have been a good idea because I think it would have got caught on the jaggedy parts, so I went ahead and just used my scissors. And here they are, pretty fun. And then I decided to make them a little sturdier, so I'm going to add some cardstock to the back. You could add really whatever, I just needed to make them sturdier. And then I'm going to cut those out, and then I'm going to sew around one, and I'm going to use multimedia mat on top of the other just to kind of show you the differences. Alright, so here are the completed tags. This one I did some stitching around the edge, and I added some lace. I was thinking about maybe making it a pocket tag, but it looks pretty cute like that. And then this one, I wanted to show you the difference if you put the like mat over it, the multimedia mat. It has a little bit of sheen, but it's pretty matte. So it just kind of depends on what you want. And then this one I just stapled on some ribbon, and there they are. They're pretty fun, the collaged tags. Very fall. They'll be fun to go in the fall kit or in the fall journal. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.